Each day, no matter how ordinary, is supported by those who protect us, near and far. When challenges push the boundaries of time and space, a brand new, more powerful partner, DJI Dock 3, rises to the occasion. DJI Dock 3 and the specially designed Matrice 4D series drones feature significantly upgraded hardware protection. The dock operates smoothly from scorching 50 degrees Celsius heat to frigid -30 degrees Celsius cold, ensuring reliable performance in both summer and winter. Even in strong winds of up to 12 meters per second, the drones can remain airborne for up to 32 minutes. DJI Dock 3 is the first DJI dock that supports vehicle-mounted deployment. With dual docks on one vehicle, the drones are ready to take off as soon as the covers are open. A single drone can fly forward for 54 minutes or operate for 18 minutes within a 10-kilometer radius, so one person can handle long distance, low frequency, or emergent operations. For fixed-mounted deployment, dock site selection is now more flexible. By installing the new DRTK3 Relay Fixed Deployment version at an elevated location, whether in city streets with tall buildings or near communication towers, the signal quality of video transmission is ensured, enhancing operational safety. The Matrice 4D series drones are compatible with the DJI RC Plus 2 Enterprise for manual operations and allow one drone to hover as a relay while the other flies further for operations. Cross-mountain inspections are now just as smooth as those conducted on flat ground. The Matrice 4D series drones can be used with obstacle sensing module for precise inspections of substations with intricate layouts. They can also achieve high-speed, wire-level obstacle avoidance during inspections for complex power line crossings. Visible light cameras have seen major enhancements, with improved foreground stabilization, whether it's a pin 10 meters away or a sign as far as 250 meters in the distance, it's all clearly visible. As night falls, powerful infrared and night vision capabilities become crucial for rescues. The Matrice 4D series has added the night scene mode, enabling night vision in both full color and black and white. Matrice 4TD also has an NIR auxiliary light, covering distances up to 100 meters. Its infrared thermal camera accurately detects heat sources with UHR infrared image. These advanced features enhance rescue operations, facilitating valuable insights in the event of an emergency. Multiple intelligent features significantly enhance DJI Dock 3's automation and efficiency. The Matrice 4D series drones support 5-directional oblique capture, as well as terrain following, even in rugged, complex environments. The drones automatically collect data to generate high-precision 3D models in FlightHub 2. With the new automated flight route function, the drones can automatically conduct inspections, detect infrared temperature anomalies, and obtain geographic coordinates. Operators can also designate no-go zones, and subjects like vehicles and vessels can be detected and recorded by the drone automatically. The new intelligent change detection feature enables efficient periodical analysis of changes in an area. Operators are assisted in precise and intelligent operation management. DJI Dock 3 enables 24-hour all-weather and all-scenario responses, ensuring fearless dedication and uninterrupted performance, marking the beginning of a new era of intelligent remote operations.